Are you here? Hey?
Hello. Oh, sorry, I had my mic turned off.
That's a problem. Oh, so we have. I'm not sure, but we have that Sam told you. We have done yesterday. We did the mock hours on the feature we worked on. So it has changed many things in the specs.
Yeah, and then he briefly showed me the changes. They all look good, and they fixed the bugs as well.
Okay. So I suppose. Oh, did you have the last code? Or?
Pardon?
Did you have the last code from? Normally it is on my.
Oh, I didn't know if it's either you or Sam will have the last code.
Yes.
Let's have a look, shall we? We can probably tell from GitHub who was the last code.
Yes, it is in on my GitHub account.
Okay,
Megan, and in branch develop.
In the develop branch.
Yes, and the same
That's
tag
gonna.
admin edit for up. So I will grant up.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yes, not develop. Yeah, admin edit follow.
This is a family option. Yes.
Unsuccessful. Try to edit. Browse code. So that might not be the latest. If we go Tansaku. Yeah, Sam has more recent code there.
Ah, okay. So I should. Okay.
Yeah, we should both pull from him then.
From him.
Yes.
Background. Okay. So here, what we have done is the git pull Tankatsu.
Just post.
This is git pull or to retrieve
Yes, git pull.
git
But you
pull
need to first of all you'll need yeah, wait a moment. You'll need to add Tansaku as a remote or Sam as a remote. So if I show you what I mean.
But we did it yesterday.
Oh, you did it yesterday during the.
Yeah, so I suppose I have it.
Yeah.
That's git pull, GitHub, Tansaku, local support, admin edit for ops. That's all.
Yeah, but you just need to do Tansaku because that's the short. Or what if you call him the remote Tansaku? That's all you need. You don't need to mention GitHub or local support.
You think?
Yeah.
Just git pull.
Oh, you have to do git pull Tansaku, and you should also mention the name of the branch. So git pull Tansaku and then the branch.
Oh, wait a moment, I passed it in the chat.
Let me show you what I mean.
Yesterday I've done.
Because I have to do the same thing here.
Is this good? This one?
No, that's not right. If you can follow my screen, I'm going to do the same thing here. I've got a remote here for Tansaku, so I do git pull Tansaku admin.
Just this one. Okay. So git pull.
No, it might not work for me.
No. Yes. So here.
But it did work there. I've got
Yes, I have
code in the controller.
I have no, I have not that on mine.
Let me see what you have.
Yes, wait.
Oh, sorry, I didn't video my own screen. Record it.
Yes, it is live.
I did remember to switch recording on this time. Ah, okay, so you need to do...
But yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
he told me to
Ah, well, maybe go out of your Mate Vagrant and
this
into the Mac
one.
and see
He
if it's
told me
different.
to use this one. Git pull.
Oh, I never saw that before. Does it work?
Yes, it worked perfectly. And
Oh,
but I
great.
don't remember if it is the one. Yes, he. Yes, it has also. But I don't remember what he has done because it is in the video, but it does things so fast that most of the time I have not the time to read the line. He has already changed the screen, so
Yes, he's
so
already changed the screen and he's overlooking at his code,
yes,
yes.
yes. And the problem is that he can see it, but you cannot because sometimes the line is either above or under the lines view in the Hangout. So
Yeah,
sometimes you
yeah.
don't see
Although I
anything.
think that's better today, is that
But
the
today I have
icons are not covering it. Yeah.
a, a network programs. You
All
do
right,
you?
we'll try that and see. I didn't know about that kind of git
Okay.
pull, but we can do
Couldn't find.
run git
Maybe
pull as well.
admin. That was developed maybe.
Yeah.
I search what we have done because we have done all inside background this
Oh
time.
no, it's not vol up, it's vol op, op.
That's the same. Yes, I mean always the same error.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm shouting at the
Yeah.
microphone again.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Already up to date. But you
Oh,
told me
fantastic.
that's more local.
Oh, it's because you haven't done git push. Do git push.
Yes, he did it at the end. So
Uh, if you do a git push, it will put it on your repo as well.
you mean if I did a git push?
Yes.
Just that, git push?
Yeah.
Oh,
It might be easier to do git push on the Mac because I think you already have your key set up on the Mac. But
yes,
either
but
way.
yesterday I think we have done git push origin develop, something like this.
Ah, we git push origin. Yeah, that will only push one branch. That will push the develop branch, but you need to. If you just do git push, it pushes all the branches. But git git push origin, you must. It's best to name
So
the
git
right
push
branch.
origin
Oh yeah, origin in English.
that's
It's not
good.
develop though. It must be admin edit vol op,
Okay, I mean
not
edit
develop. Delete develop.
or up. This one.
Not quite. You go delete develop.
I delete develop. You
Yeah.
want me to? Oh, okay. Yes, but I see. Yes. This, no, it tells the same. And yesterday I did not have to enter anything.
Did you switch off your computer in the
No,
meantime?
no, that was all
Maybe
in
it's because you
background.
did it. Maybe you did it in the Mac terminal and not in
No,
the
no, no,
Vagrant
no,
terminal.
because I have
Oh,
only background open.
that is strange. Well, maybe the push didn't work. Oh, you know what? It was probably already up to date, and that's why nothing happened.
Okay, so that means, but you told me that oh,
Ah,
we
develop was already up to date, but that's um, not
when he has done
admin edit
that
vol op.
last one today. No,
Develop
that
well,
was.
developers changed, but we need to get that up to date soon. But right now,
Ah, no, no, that was mine. Unsuccessful try to edit. That was the last one. So my branch is up to date.
no, the
No?
last one is this one. That is yours. I was just showing yours, but the last one
Ah, okay.
is Tansaku's because he has one after unsuccessful try to edit. There's one called cleaning up the controller spec.
Ah, okay, okay.
That's the one you've pulled to your um,
So I
Vagrant,
should.
but you don't have it on GitHub yet.
Ah, okay. So then I should.
So the only reason that you can't, that it's asking for the username is because it hasn't stored your username from last time. Um,
Okay.
but I'm sure that your Mac terminal has, I think that your Mac terminal has stored your username.
So
So if you copy and paste that command over to the Mac terminal, it should do the same
this
thing.
one,
Yeah,
git pull. This one git pull. No, git push. Git
git
push.
push. Yeah, yeah.
What
Origin,
origin develop
admin.
edit for all without develop.
Yes, without develop.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it didn't ask for permission there. It just did it. Now, if I show you my screen and I could look at the GitHub website, I should see that if I refresh this, it should have changed. And it has. It's got sounds
Ah,
there.
okay.
So that's what your push did. It added the extra.
I don't remember the command from Vagrant, but we have done absolutely all in Vagrant yesterday. And
Hmm.
so, but the command is a little different. I don't remember. But
Ah,
maybe
okay.
I have
Well,
it the week.
yeah, maybe if you show your history, type history and look at the last few lines, that it might show the last few
It's
commands.
true. Just that.
Yes.
Yes, wait a moment. Vagrant art. Yes, okay, Vagrant. Yes,
So
this one. Sheet
if we
pull
look at the
the
push.
pin. Sheet pull. Oh no, this one is
Yeah, it doesn't show it.
sheet pull.
So the git pull works, that's great. But the
But
git
this one
pull.
is from today.
Yeah, the last few are from today.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
So it doesn't show anything much from the
that was
video.
yesterday.
Hmm.
I have not. I don't know how many. This is the history in SSH
That's
or
correct, yes.
okay
There's the history in Vagrant.
in background, but
Mm.
maybe it does not. Yes, maybe that's only 100 lines also.
Yeah, it's only 100 lines.
Mm. Mm.
But
That's
that's, yeah.
yes. That's
Mhm.
you see here. That's what when I
When you built it, yes, on Friday, yes.
okay. No, no matter. That works. That's the
Mm.
principle. So here you see Matt. Should I should see what he has done. Wait a moment. I share to understand
Yeah,
what he has done.
yeah, great.
So he has cleaned up the spec.
Yeah, and today he was talking about another refactoring that we could do, but we have to. Yeah, I think we should make sure our tests are green before we try
Mm.
that refactoring.
So this is this one. Just Sure on the okay. This one hasn't changed. Or maybe it's better if I go to the site to see the commit. Or can
Oh,
I
to see
see
what's
it?
changed? I'm not sure how you see it in Mate, but in your shell you can type git diff head.
In background or
Yes, in or either.
either? Okay, git diff.
I can't see it, of course, but I can look
Uh,
on my side. Git diff space head in uppercase, head in capitals.
so git diff head. That's tilde.
Yes,
Add one
one tilde one.
like so.
Yes, that should show you Sam's commit.
Okay. Uh,
It's not colored, but yes, the minus the
yes,
one
that's
means
the
it's
problem
changed.
inside background is not colored. I think inside my map. Oh no, maybe no. It is colored in text. So when I use GitX,
Oh, GitX, yes. Well,
no,
maybe you can use GitX to show us.
ah yes, that was just this one. It is in line. We don't think so. Once from okay. Ugh. Sorry
Okay,
to be
so
slow, but I should understand, huh?
there's a
Because
new method can edit, isn't there? In user.
okay, one for here.
Where's my email?
Okay, yes. Let's see. Okay. So now it told me that we have to change. That it's inside the Slack and maybe also inside my mail. We should see. Hopefully I have it. Ah yes, cleaning up. Yes, you told me this. I can pass it in the chat.
Yeah.
Where is the chat? That's what he when he has done the last bit, the cleaning. He told me this. I think this is a code we integrate one for checking who can edit the volunteer opportunity. So either it is admin or it is not need. It is not the organization is not need inside the volunteer opportunity or the organization equals. Okay, so that means
Yes.
either
That.
it admit either it is the user which owns
Yeah. I think I'll save this in Pivotal Tracker for the. Yeah. Yeah. And then we can, or we could, we could put it in as a code comment, couldn't we? Because we definitely want it.
I think I wonder if it is not in the commit that Sam has done. No.
Mm-hmm. Oh, let's have a look. But whose screen
Yes.
am I sharing right now? Right. So if I look for his can edit op. No, it doesn't exist in that commit.
No, no, but I mean as a comment in the commit, no?
No, it's not there at all. There's no comments in the
Ah,
commit.
okay, okay. So how can we do that?
Um, I'm wondering what was going to call it actually. I guess we would set. we would have it in the
You mean just a command?
authorize method. Yes, just a comment. Yeah.
Okay, just a command. At the end, probably.
Yeah, probably. And then we should take it out when we're finished. But
Mm.
at least
When
we
we
keep it
try,
there.
where I put it at the very bottom, or what? Yes.
Yeah, put it in the controller itself. That's what he
In
where
the controller. Okay.
yeah. Yeah. I don't want to lose that. I don't want to.
So, yes, what would be okay? Here, maybe.
Yes, yeah, among the private methods. Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the proof? I think. That's good, like this, or it
Yeah.
is.
Which yeah,
Oh,
comment out lines 52 to 54 as well. I think
yes, yes, yes.
already.
Of
Yeah, until
course,
we've written tests. Yes.
that's better
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
to reference who taught something. No?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, what? Yeah. Okay. So maybe I will. Okay.
You seem very accomplished with TextMate. Have you been using it with your other languages that you work with?
Pardon? Which languages?
You said you worked with assembler and some
Ah,
assembly
yes. Oh,
language
but
and some other languages.
that was in 1973.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm old. I'm 60. Yes, I'm 63. So I begin really when I begin to work. I begin to program.
Okay,
That's
yes.
my first job.
Yeah.
And at this time, this was on the eBay. We have some. I think not the second one. I don't remember the first one. That was probably an IBM or something like this, but not the 360. That was before that, and it
Before the
was.
360, yeah.
I don't remember the number, but it was in a very cold local with 12 degrees C
Mm-hmm.
at most.
Oh,
So,
did you have to wear a white coat?
yes, yes, absolutely. But the problem was when it was in summer that I begin, and that was a terrible summer this year.
Yeah.
It was about 40 degree outside. So
Oh.
we have to when we have to wait to eat for the lunch. We come from a local at 12, and outside it was 40. That was terrible.
Oh, that's an awful shock. Yes.
Yes. And the very very first program I made was so to make program. We have also those machine. We read a ribbon. You see like this. You see, that's not a perforated card. That's just a
Oh, yes, paper tape in English. Yes. Paper
paper
tape.
tape. Yes, a paper tape. So you have to be very careful not to make a mistake, because you have um, to begin from the very
Yeah.
beginning if you made a mistake. And the first
Uh,
time I made a program, I made it, and the last line, that was an hour of coding on the tape, perfect, and the last line I made a mistake.
Ouch.
Terrible,
Ouch.
terrible.
Are you allowed to cut the paper and glue it together, or will that break the tape reader?
Yeah, and it was in hexadecimal at the time, not even in assembler, in hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. Ouch.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that was fun. That was fun. So that year when I begin with watching very carefully the code, and I love that. But why? After that, I made how do you say that? Accounting, but also we always with programming. But this time that was with an IBM 364, and also some PDD. I
Mm-hmm.
don't remember the number either, but it was with this time with perforated cord, and we have another machine with a very nice language, at least for me, which comes from a mechanical background. I have the equivalent of a master in mechanics at the
Ah.
university. But
Yeah.
I don't remember anything. It's too old. But at
Yes.
the time, that was fantastic. It was a language which has disappeared, I think, very quickly. But it was because it was too mathematical. It was called FP for
Ah.
functional
Okay.
programming. That was fantastic. That was only composition of function. Very nice.
This
I
is this on the screen. My screen there is the first computer that I programmed with at school. I think it was,
ah oh
um, and that was in BASIC. And you can see
yes
the basic keywords in small letters
yes
on the
yes.
keyboard.
Oh, but that was late, this one, because we have only, we have only command line to type. So the line
Yes.
must be only 10 character long or something like this. I don't remember. Yes, that was that was another time, but it was fun. Yes. It was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, I
And
think we could
after
have
that,
40 or 50 characters on a line with the
uh,
micros in the 1980s. Yes.
yes, yes. After
Right.
that, yes, I worked on some um, a mini computer.
Oh wow, it's got a Wikipedia page.
Yes, but okay, yes, we have
FP.
found it. But I think this is not. No, no, this is not
Not the
this
same
one.
one. Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. This is this one. Yes, but I think this is a more modern version.
Ah,
At the
okay.
very
Yes, yes,
beginning, we have only
1977. Yeah.
really composition of function. Yes, that was very good, but only for mathematician, because the one which comes from literature, that was the case in France at the moment, because there are absolutely no programming course. So what the government thinks, yes, we have a lot of people who are unemployed, and in particular in people who've come from literature university courses. So they put all them in programming. That was a catastrophe. But well,
Oh dear. Yeah.
mm.
So we've
And
got the
they
comment there.
worked in
Which are
COBOL. Yes, they work in COBOL.
all right. So
That's
which of our tests pass and which fail now? Oh, COBOL. They all worked in COBOL, and some of them were a disaster.
yes.
Did some of them become good programmers?
Mm. Yes, because that is only to like lawyer to make a number of paper sheets. Only that. It was terrible to read. Come on.
Oh,
So now, oh, okay, wait, I should push that now.
I don't think there's anything to push now. There's just the
No,
comments. Yeah,
just
unless you
for
want
the
to
comment.
drive.
What is it? Oh, yes, we put it at the end. Okay. We should stop to speak private, otherwise we don't do nothing.
Yeah, I should do some work. Maybe
But
learn a bit
well,
more too.
from time to time. Okay, so now we are on this one. So what should we? Who told me that we have another thing to do, or we should first do this thing?
I think we should first get. I think we should first see what tests are passing because I don't know that we're finished yet.
Okay, yes, they are not
But
passing at the
but
moment.
yeah, that line 53 that we've got a long time to go before we use that. I think.
9:33. Wait a moment.
Um,
I,
we
I,
could.
I should share and I.
I think if we haven't got test passing, we've got some.
Okay,
If we've
so
got all
the
the test passing, we still
aspect,
got some.
aspect, the past, aspect, okay. Only the volunteers or all the specs?
Um, um, I think we might need to do all the specs because we've changed the
Okay.
user as well, the user model.
We change it?
Sam changed it. He put an extra method into it.
To have.
I can edit. I think. I think he did that. Maybe I'm misremembering. Oh, he didn't.
No, I think it is in the video because he shows me how to integrate that. That's a spec.
Oh, you're right. No, he's only changed the controller in the diff. But yes, he wants to add it into the. Yeah.
So I should reread the video, but unfortunately I could not today because I have to also to absorb the contents of the new week.
Yes.
And then I should try to make the homework today also because otherwise I don't think I have time to do it next week.
Right. Well,
Mm.
yeah. Tell me when to stop. Is it JavaScript this week? Oh no, it's
No, it's
release
performance.
engineering. Yeah.
There is no, unfortunately, I think there is no JavaScript homework. Some people are asked for because this is really a difficult part.
Hmm.
Okay, so now what we have, we all passed, but not correctly, yeah, because we have not restrict correctly the
Yeah.
authorize, and
Yeah.
those ones, the flash, are not, and also the redirect because they don't work. But I'm not sure. We discussed it yesterday, but. I'm not sure they, for me, but I'm not sure this is the same for the one. When someone can do something, for example, the show page, everything can show the opportunity page,
Yes.
but not everything can edit it. So for me, if someone, either evil or not evil, try to edit a page from which is has no right, it has to be automatically returned to the page where it has right. So that means that for me, at least, when a user go to the show page and try to edit it, I mean forced to edit it because he
Yes.
cannot see the edit button, but suppose it should be returned to the show page, but perhaps the problem is that I'm not right here because effectively, if the user try to edit, that means that it forwards the edit with a command line or with the browser. So that means
Yes.
we should consider it as evil, as bad guy, and return it to the home page. No, that's
Yeah,
that's.
but I don't know. It doesn't matter to me which page he goes back to. He's
But,
still a bad
yes, it matters a bit because at the moment, the in the code it is set to redirect to show page, but actually, if we use the authorize as it is redirect to the home page.
Oh,
And
but that's okay, and that's what
oh, so
we
that
want in
sounds
our spec.
better to say effectively that if it tries to edit, that means it's a bad guy and it
It
should
might
be.
not be a bad guy. It might be somebody that has forgotten to log in.
Yes, yes, but that's the same.
Okay,
Oh
same.
no,
Send them back
no,
to this home page.
no, that's not exactly the same because he cannot see the edit button in the form.
Yes. Oh, of course, yes. Unless he has
So
it
as he
stored,
cannot
unless he
see that
is
he is a
using
bad
his
guy.
history button in his browser. Yes.
But you're right, maybe, yes, anyway, you should return to the login page or to
Okay.
the home page. Is there a difference between the two, login page and home page?
Um, there is yes, there is a difference.
Maybe
Uh,
we have to do a difference then.
well, you can log in from. Most people can log in from the home page. It's only if you have JavaScript turned off that
Ah,
you need the separate login page.
mm-hmm. Okay.
So
So
yes,
that means that the same we return to the home page
yes,
in both cases. Okay. That was more clear for me.
yeah.
Sometimes
You can
I
log in
don't
from everywhere.
understand. Excuse me. Sometimes I don't understand when I am here, but when I express myself, the same thing I understand. Hmm?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, okay. So okay, well, that's more clear. So we should change. I do does also the cucumber. Why we write
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
Just cucumber like this. So that means we should change the feature to say the right thing
Yeah. We changed the feature
because
to say the right thing.
I think this is not the right thing, which is normally there is one we should fail. Yes, one. Two. Yes. Oh. I should have poltergeist installed. Yes, probably.
What's poltergeist?
Or Phantom GS. I don't know. They have added something with JavaScript, no?
They have in local support we use Capybara WebKit, and you
Yes, but it says
yeah,
me
the
that
only
it
thing you
cannot
need is
connect.
XVFB run.
Okay, you
Ah,
see
you
here.
need
Web.
yes, you need XVFB dash run cucumber
Okay,
to get the JavaScript ones.
okay. So wait a minute. X EPF. Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
put it in the chat there.
yes. Sometimes I switch.
Sometimes it helps to remember it by typing it though instead of.
No, that is. I always start without looking at my keyboard, but sometimes my hand. are misplaced. You know, when you
Oh, yeah,
touch
yeah.
right or left. So that on the French
But
keyboard.
you don't want to do an hour of punching paper tape without looking at your fingers. You would never know you'd made a mistake.
Yes, but
We
yes,
still
that's
got
just
some. Is there still
a
a bit of
matter
test?
of habit. Because if you try
Mhm.
really, I have for one of an exam, I have to produce a report of 100 pages at minimum. And I have at the moment at this time I have no computer at home, so I just bought a type machine, and I have to 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 study how to type machine rapidly. So
Mhm.
I also bought a book like this, and in 1 week, it's enough 1 week to know where your touches are, where your keys are, and then you can type blindly.
Yes.
So, but sometimes I misplace my hand. So that's good. So,
Yes. Yeah, I'm not too bad on the English keyboard layout, but I have trouble finding punctuation.
yes,
I
that's
always
the
need
problem.
punctuation for programming.
Mm. What is your in which country?
Or in England.
Ah, in England. So you have an English keyboard.
Yes, that's right.
Ah,
It's QWERTY keyboard. I've
mhm.
got some keyboards on my screen here right now, so I can see. There's one called Beppo here. Bepo,
I don't. Ah,
but that's not mine. Um,
so you type with a French keyboard.
no, that's not mine. Mine is uh, a QWERTY
Ah,
keyboard.
your one is a question.
Yes.
When I've studied languages, I have to type with a Spanish keyboard, with English keyboard, with German keyboard, and with French keyboard. At the
Oh
time,
dear.
I could switch easily between the four, but now no more because it's a nightmare with punctuation.
Oh yes, yes. Well,
Each,
I.
country has its own idea of where they have to put punctuation. So
Oh yes. When I go to the console on this laptop, it it still has the US keyboard layout, so all the punctuation is wrong. Um, but is this your keyboard, Azerty?
yes, yes, this is
Yes.
mine. So you see the punctuation are in this range here.
Oh,
Where
anyway.
after the P, the last two keys on the range of P, and also after the M on the second range, and
Yes.
after the N on the last range. But if you are in uppercase letter, you have all the you see the number are in uppercase letter. That's a nightmare. When you
Oh,
are counting, this is because I have an extended keyboard where we have this paddle here with all numbers, and I'll always type the numbers in the pad key. That is a keyboard with another pad key after the this long one. There is
yeah.
another key with only numbers. And also, if you type with the option key, the Alt key by us, which is,
Mhm.
by the way, this is here. Because here, at the place of Alt, this is Command. At the place of
Okay.
the
And
DS
Mac.
is
Yes.
Alt, and here this is Control. Yes. So
Hmm.
this is not exactly the layout used in France. As this is the
Yes,
Windows
this is a PC
Microsoft
keyboard, isn't it?
layout.
Yes.
It's not the
Yeah.
Apple layout.
Yes. We've got the same. We've got a different layout, and the British Apple looks a lot more like an American
Yes,
keyboard
that was
than.
my keyboard. Yes, you see with this extended pad.
Oh
But
yes, that's good.
now with how do you say that? The portable computer, you have no more this pad, and frankly, for the non-US people, this is a nightmare because you have to
Ah.
type all the numbers in uppercase letter.
Hmm. Well, my laptop has got a number pad. It really helps, but
Ah, yes.
I think it's quite a big laptop, so they use the extra space for a number pad.
Ah, yes. Unfortunately, on Apple, that doesn't exist.
No. Oh dear. Right.
Which one? So, up to the work. Voilà, cucumber. Okay, so we have one failing scenario. That should be ours,
Yes.
I suppose. Where it is. Oh, there is a number of scenarios.
Yeah. I wonder if we can configure Cucumber not.
Ah,
I know
this
that we
one.
can
Yes, another update.
configure.
Exactly. That's normal. Because it doesn't.
Ah. Okay. So unable to find field description, which probably means it's not re not seeing the correct page.
Yes, yes. Actually, it does. That's very strange. It does not seem to access. Yes, that's normal because our authorized method is false.
Ah,
Always
so we need to make it true.
gives false, and that means yeah that it does not. It never get into the if. What?
Yeah.
Where,
So
where
it
we
always goes to the
where
home
we
page.
say if save, it doesn't get here. So effectively, it is returned to the home page, and there is no field. There is no format here. So if I get in, yes, here. Yes, this is this one. Where is the update? Yes, it never goes here because this one is always false. Hence, it tried to do that, but effectively the authorized gets, we did not see here, yes, no, it is in another controller.
But yes,
It's
effectively the
in
authorized.
application, I think, no? Store location,
Oh no, the authorized is in our own controller.
yes, here, in the application controller,
Ah.
okay? Unless admin. Go to root path. So, we are ejected. So the goal is to change the authorized method in voluntary ops so that it has not only not only org owner, but also what we have done, what I've passed, and I've passed it now in the controller. Yes, we should have something like this, but this should be done at the model level, or
Um. Yeah, we can do them. Well, we can do it right now at the controller level, but yeah, I think I agree that it should be done at the model level.
So right now we do it only at the controller level. Or maybe I
Yeah,
pass.
but we need to check what that action is. Yeah.
I will pass it so that you will see it. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So how can we do that?
We can do that. Actually, I think it's a bit simpler because can edit op is simply the same question asked to can edit org.
Yes, but in org, that's at the model. That's
Yes.
that's method of the model.
I think that's what Sam is thinking of for can edit op as well.
It is where it is. It is in private, I think. Which remember exactly.
Oh, it's in the user model.
Ah, in the user? Ah,
Yeah.
maybe. Confirm. Ah, yes, can edit. So, can we have two met? Oh, no, we cannot have can edit for.
We can if it's a different name.
Yes. So, can edit admin, for example, or can edit?
See, I think we can just reuse that one, but maybe that's too extreme. I think we can simply say, but yeah, I think it's a new one. We need to write a spec for it if we're going to write a new method.
Okay. So,
I think then it'll be clear
in
what we're going to write.
user.
I say we need to, I'd like to.
Ah, there is no spec for user.
Oh, not in controllers, user in models, the spec is.
Ah, yes. Oh, excuse me. Okay, user specs. What's this say? Invite by scope. Can edit.
Yeah.
There is not a name. Can edit associative. Can edit. So we could try first to copy it and see what we can. I'm not sure we can exactly.
Yeah, I'm not sure how exactly we can do it, except that yeah, it's mostly similar.
Yes, it is very similar. Oh,
But we don't have this situation where every user that
yes,
is
yes.
allowed to edit a volunteer opportunity is also an owner of the organization. So it's very, very similar.
Maybe we could change it and have another context which can verify. We can check the class of the argument. No, what do you think of that? Because in this case, this is org. Okay,
Yes.
we need another with op with volop,
Hmm.
and we could, for example, oh, I just write it. So.
Okay.
Describe when arg is an organ. Okay, do that. And have another one Do what it is here. And then another describe when a volunteer opportunity.
Yes.
Do another things, and then we can have
Mm.
much more than that. That's more abstract, no?
Yeah.
That's follow us, and maybe we can see that effectively when we write that both, we can see that there is some things that are shared between the two, the both.
Yes. I think, and for those things that are not shared, we should maybe refactor a little so they can be shared.
Yes. So what can be shared? Content is admin. Yes, that's sure. This one is share. You can edit. When it is not admin, it can. No, that depends if it is the organer or not.
Yeah.
So
No.
this part is not exactly sure.
Well, not exactly shared. Yes, but I can see I can
Because
quite
it can
idea of how we
it
can
can
share
do
it.
that. For example, if it is the organer, it can do that with
Ah.
volatility.
Yes. Now, if we add a method to user called volunteer op, then that could equal the model. Why is it called model?
Yes,
Is model the argument?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So
That,
if
that, that would be good for you, no?
yeah, you could do that, or you could do swap it the other way around and do volunteer. Yeah, volunteer. Yes, I think there is. No, that's good. I'm just wondering how we cope with either of the cases of a user has more than one
Uh,
organization. But that's still the
this
still
this
the
way
case.
this way of do it with an argument. Here. Oh yes.
Yeah, because
Then
this
we can
argument is
tell
model.
what we want and have maybe shared functionality, maybe not shared, maybe. And if
Mm.
tomorrow we add another, I don't know, uh, another type of model, we can also
Yeah,
use that.
different.
No?
Mm. Yes.
Um, wait, I have changed a bit of the. So, describe candidate. Candidate. It was an arc, no? No. So, how can we? So, normally, context is admin. I can already subject user create. Can edit to we can edit. Uh, so here we
Mm.
have a share example, for example. Shared example. I don't remember the should be described. I don't remember the. Well, maybe we do the refactoring after, no?
Yeah.
Be confused. So when it is an organization, it can do all these things. Control C, text. I'm not sure we have right to nest to describe.
Yes, we can. We can nest as many
Okay.
describes as we want.
So
We
wait
can
a
nest.
minute. I should see if this one. It is too much. This one. Oh, no. That's not good. This one. That's why. Wait. I should do it another way. Otherwise, I will make mistake. Okay. So this one goes. Context is a mean. Context is not a mean. And we add. That. Okay, and here also that one. This way I'm sure it could be the right thing. So okay. Describe one is not an mean. Okay, and here I should have end. Oh, okay. So this one is good. And here, okay. And here that's the same. And this I should. Oh, why? It should work. Ah, okay, and here and okay. So now we should define what is an org. Oh, what? I just copy one. Oof, I lost one. Oh, happened. Okay, that's not a good context. So it has. Let's begin. Let's end here. I hope I don't make mistake here. Context is a name. Context is not a name. Okay, context is a name. No, this is not good. This was is not good. Context is not a name. Okay. And here. And here. This one is good. Describe. Describe. So that sounds good. Oh no. Yes, that's the program when I do that. I used it. Okay. So how can we yes, it has model. Okay, that's the model. But then you should have okay. So here's this one. Just to remember it. Okay. So here we can have when we mock model, can we say then model kind of or no? Sure. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm here. I hear.
With a mock model, it return really a model or
I think it answers to the kind. Yes.
so oh yes, but then we could have another let then, but we cannot be model. Another, ah, yes, if we really want to be able to check if it is, it's not obvious in this one.
Mm.
Where it is.
Yes, I wonder if we want to add another method that
Yes,
just when you send the message, volunteer
yes,
opportunity, it replies with no.
because otherwise that's like
You know, it will learn more than one, so that doesn't help. It's line 62 that is our problem, because the volunteer opportunity has an organization.
yes.
Um, so let me clear my head a minute. Yeah, the volunteer opportunity has an organization.
Mhm.
Um, is the user's organization the same as the volunteer's organization, the volunteer opportunities organization?
That was one of the questions which was evoked in the meeting.
So it would be user.organization should equal model.organization would be for our kind of mock, for our kind of object.
Yes, either you are the site owner. That's the problem. Either you are the admin site, the site admin, excuse me, or the organization owner.
That's correct. Yes.
So.
Yeah. It's simple code. Yeah, we seem to be finding it difficult to test, but the idea is not.
The idea is not so simple because effectively, what does it mean to be a site admin?
Oh, that just means that it answers yes to the admin query method, which is.
That means yes, you're not necessarily the user of the organization, not necessarily the user of the volunteer opportunity.
That's right. You're not necessarily that user.
So
Probably aren't.
not so good.
It's exclusive, but then, yeah, that's why that first test is first, and it doesn't mention who is the. It doesn't set up at all who the organization owner is.
Yes. So that's better to have another. Yes, that's probably better to.
I think we might do better to write it from scratch anyway, because I find this confusing to read.
Yes.
And if we like what we've written, we can refactor the other one.
Yes. Okay, so what I've done, I should remove all except maybe
I think it will be easier to write it than to edit that one.
Yes. Yes. Okay, that's good now. So we write another one here.
Oh dear.
Yes. No.
Yeah, sorry, I'm talking to myself.
Ah.
I tried to do a search through my code, and I've just got far too many matches. Yeah. But I think can edit underscore org will be a different thing, and that would be simpler to spec that. You see, or we could just write context context. The model is or the argument is a volunteer opportunity.
Yes, but how can you say that? Because
You don't need to test it. We just set it up in the let or the before block. We just set it up at the beginning of the test.
Here?
Yeah, not there. Yeah, we
Uh,
can. Yeah, we make another one there. We can make it the
here,
organization. Yeah.
but that could not be a model. That should be
No,
another
yeah, don't call it model. Just call it vol or something or op.
follow-up.
Yeah. Or op. Yes.
Follow-up, this one. Let follow. No, that's not this one. Let follow.
Yes, it's
Let
parentheses.
follow. Yes. Yes, that would be stop model. Something like this. Mock model. Stop model or mock model? Mock model.
Um, I'm not sure of the difference. They're very similar. I think it could just be a double for our purposes.
Not exactly, because we want to have eventually.
Yeah,
Yes,
we want
that
to add
depends.
them.
Yes, yes. At the beginning, can be a double. Yes, I agree. And double
No,
is
yeah, you're right. Yeah.
the same syntax like this.
Yes, it's the same syntax.
Okay. So I wonder that's a model. This is this one or this one? It's model. No, no, that's not. What is the model?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's always easy to find out if a user is an admin because there is a Boolean column in the database. That's always the easy part.
So okay. So here context is admin. And we could have here, it can, uh, it can edit volunteer, volunteer. This is true, this one. Yes?
Is it? Yes, it is.
So here we should have use can edit. That's a problem. We cannot use the same. Huh?
We can call it volup. I thought that's what we called it. But we don't have to use the same method. But we are using the same method.
Yes,
I
that's the
think that's all
problem.
right.
So maybe that should be another method, no?
Um, yeah, it's not necessary. I don't always think it's good design to have methods named according to the type of object that you send them. But the type of object that's the argument. But We can do that. That's what Sam's original suggestion was, just to do can edit org.
Can edit if you tap add envelope. I don't know envelope.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Should be true. And nothing saying the model that the argument should be user should be org. Mhm. Il passe en org. That would not work. Huh? Or does it? Oh yes,
Well, when it,
after that we should change the candidate. Okay, so
yeah, yeah,
supposingly that works. Okay, candidate model. Candidate for off should be true. For this one, this is done. Oh,
yes, it is.
okay. It's not a mean. Let non-associated model. So here also we should have a let for up. No, it is already done at the beginning. So here, let non-associated model, mock model. So we have said that okay, admin is done. Otherwise, it should be the organer. Yes, that's right.
Yes.
So that's the same.
Mm-hmm.
Candidate associated organization. So here it candidate yes. So here we should no. Yeah, the same here. User
Yeah,
organization. This one should be true.
I don't understand what 65 does,
But
but yeah, it should be true.
yes, it just says that the the model is an organization, and
Checks it's right.
that it says that the user associated with the organization is oh no, the inverse. It checks that the organization associated with the user is effectively the stub model. It is
Yes, it is.
effectively an organization.
So it just checks that line 62
Oh,
worked. Yeah,
excuse me, excuse me. Oh, what I've
don't
done.
worry.
No,
I think it's an unnecessary line anyway.
no, that's because um,
Uh, but
so
yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
yes,
checking line 62.
see, it checks two things here. It checks that effectively the user has a as an yes, the
The user
organization
has an
associated with
organization
the
because we
user
give
is
it one in
effectively an
62.
organization, and it checks that the user himself can edit the organization.
Yes, that's very important. 66 is very important. I think 65 is unemployed.
See, you should
I
first
don't.
check that effectively this is not um, this is effectively an organization, not anything else.
Yes.
So we need it. We need both. Yeah. Otherwise, it could
It
be
doesn't call. It doesn't call the method under test. So well, okay. Maybe we shouldn't change it now while we're working on something different. But I would like to delete it later.
we need it also here because we need an organization, and then we should check that the full organization, so the full model, no, the full organization should equal to model. Is it sufficient? Yes, but that's an ID. No, well, what do you have in the model? Brutal model. What it has? It belongs to organizations. Yes. Is it right the way I write it?
I just wondering what's the minimum you could write that matches with the English of line 69.
69. What it is? It can edit. That's not good English.
Yes, it is. It's fine English. I'm just wondering what the minimum code is that expresses that. That says the same thing in Ruby.
Ah. How can we see that in
We
Ruby?
need a volunteer opportunity that's associated. But I'm.
I should revise my Ruby. Yes, no, the Rails guys. What's this? Rails guy. Oh no, I should check the Rails guy 3.2. No, 3.2. What's this? Okay. Getting started, but what's this say about association belongs to? Okay, belongs to. Reference belongs to. So, belongs to association. What we have? No, that's nightmare to read this one. Yes. Should be, that should be more or less that. Or maybe we can try it in the console, no? It would be better. We have something, yes. Or should I
Yeah.
try the sandbox?
Well, actually, I'm looking at console at the moment. I'm also looking at the clock, and yeah, I think it'd be a good idea to go to the Scrum if you want
Ah,
to do that.
okay, okay. So that
Um,
will be next time.